Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to make a page on Facebook. And for this, go right in the bottom to menu, and from here tap on see more. Then scroll to the option pages, and just right here you will see the button create. But keep in mind, you need a Facebook account that you have created maybe 90 days ago. So your Facebook account has to be 90 days old, and then you can create this page. Alright, now if I tap on this button, I can create the page, and if I do get started, I can fill in the page name. Then if I do help me out too, and then do return, I tap now on next. Then do a category for this, so I want to do something like tag, return, create. Then tap on create content and contact with fans, because I don't have products, but if you have a drop shipping store or doing e-com stuff, you can maybe promote your products or services. Then do continue, then do next, next, next. No, I don't want to page notification on my profile, so turn that off. Done. So now we just created help me out too. And this is the way how you can create your own page. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.